Hello and welcome to today's show. I am happy you are here with me this morning. Today we will talk about morning habits. These are things successful people do every single morning. These habits are simple and easy to do. You can start doing them tomorrow if you want. I will speak slowly and use easy words. This way everyone can understand and follow along. Are you ready to learn these powerful morning habits? Great! Let us start learning together right now. Most successful people wake up very early. They get up at 5 or 6 in the morning. Early morning is quiet and peaceful time. There are no phone calls or messages to distract you. You have more time to think and plan. You can finish important tasks before others wake up. Waking up early gives you a head start. You feel like you have extra hours in your day. Start by waking up just 15 minutes earlier. Then slowly wake up earlier each week until comfortable. Successful people always make their bed first. This takes only 2 or 3 minutes to complete. Making your bed gives you a small win. You complete your first task before the day begins. It makes your room look clean and organized. This helps you feel good about your living space. When you come home tired at night, you see a nice bed. This small thing makes you happy. Making your bed creates a habit of finishing things. It teaches you to complete every task properly. Many successful people exercise in the morning. They run, walk, or do simple exercises at home. Exercise wakes up your body and mind completely. It gives you energy for the whole long day. You do not need a gym membership. You can walk outside or do push-ups in your room. Even 10 minutes of movement helps a lot. Your body feels stronger and your mind feels clearer. Morning exercise also helps you sleep better. Your body is tired and ready for rest at night. Successful people eat good food for breakfast. They choose fruits, eggs, or whole grain bread usually. A good breakfast gives your brain fuel. You can think clearly and make better decisions all day. Avoid too much sugar in the morning time. Sweet foods make you tired after a few short hours. Drink water or green tea with breakfast. Your body needs water after sleeping for 8 long hours. Plan your breakfast the night before if possible. This saves time and helps you eat something healthy. Most successful people read every morning for sure. They read books, news, or articles about their work. Reading exercises your brain like a muscle daily. It makes you smarter and gives you new ideas. You can read for just 10 minutes. Even this short time helps you learn something new each day. Choose books that help you grow personally. Read about skills you want to improve in your life. If you do not like reading books, listen to podcasts. You can learn while getting ready for your day. Successful people always plan their day ahead. They write down 3 important things to do today. Planning helps you focus on what matters most. You do not waste time on small, unimportant things. Keep your plan simple with just few items. Too many tasks make you feel stressed and overwhelmed. Write your plan in a notebook or phone. Look at it during the day to stay on track. Plan the night before if you want. This way you wake up knowing exactly what to do. These morning habits are simple but very powerful. They help successful people start each day with energy. You do not need to do everything. Pick 1 or 2 habits that sound good to you. Start small and be patient with yourself always. New habits take time to become natural and automatic. Try these habits for 1 month consistently first. You will notice positive changes in your life quickly. Thank you for listening to today's show. Have a wonderful day and remember to start tomorrow strong.